Let's cook it. Let's make the dough first. Take 1 cup flour. Add salt as per taste. Add water as needed. Now mix them. You can add some oil to make the dough smooth. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes. Take 4 medium boiled potatoes. Mash the potatoes. Add salt as per taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now mix them together. Let's check our dough. Sprinkle some flour. Take a small chunk from the dough. Cut the chunk into 4 pieces. Fold the dough like this. Sprinkle some more flour. Make a small flat bread. Put the potato ball in center. Wrap the mixed potatoes in the dough. Cover it and gently. It's very easy and fun. Press the dough gently and make a flat bread. Take 3 cups of oil in a fry pan, and start frying the flatbread when warm enough. Fry it each side for 5 minutes. Make a golden brown color. Then it will be done. Looking delicious. You should try this at home. Thanks for watching.